Let's take a look at this one more time. That was that last error there for FEU, leading to Adamson getting point number 8 right before we went into the break. Thank you for joining us on Studio 23. Adamson University looking to force a 3-way tie at the 3rd spot here in UAAP Season 74. Bagang pops it up, Giselle C. It's a back set for
That's
Baniel
long
there.
for Baniel. Although, again, you can hear the power behind that hit. So, FEU, you know, they are really improving, especially coming into this second round. Ibang-ibang FEU. And you can see the improvement individually of the players.
Especially with the 2 rookies, Baniel and Bagang. And this is great experience for them. Pineda again.
What a beauty. That down-the-line hit by Pineda.
And Mami Dulce Pante would not have asked for a better start from his girls. Early cushion for them. 10-5 is our score. Let's see how FEU will respond. Vargas from the back row. Makatuno. That's Faye Guevara. Eulalio.
Oh, Pineda once again.
And Pineda has starred early on for the Lady Falcons here. And that forces Coach Nes Pamilar to call a timeout. Let's watch it once again. Nothing Majorie Rojas could do there.
Mabilis yung umakbang di ba? So, pinuin mo mabilis. Pagtukin mo na mabilis. Pigol. Wala na sa palo mo, ay open lock. Ha? Sige, tsaka ikaw, pagtalo na pag ikaw ang dumukot, ikaw ang nakatapat, dudukot ang kamay, hindi nakataas lang na ganun. Pinadadaan dito lang, oh. Ha? Yung palad ang pangtapat nyo sa bola.
Coach Nes Pamilar just reminding his ladies to know the tendencies of their opponents.
And yung mga offensive blocking kasi normally, you really use your hand, your palms, para ma-sway mo at saka matip mo yung bola to where you want it to be. So, ini-advise lang niya to look for the ball and read where yung height ng bola from the spiker.
That time able to deflect the Pineda spike a little bit. It's going to be a free ball here for FEU. Giselle C. It's a back set to the running Eulalio. And that's a point for FEU. Great execution there.
That's right. Combination play coming from the Lady Tams. Pineda was there but wasn't able to close out the block.
Makatuno sets to the left. Wild angle there for Sheila Pineda. Nicely dug up there by Jen Makatuno.
And a long one this time.
Dominant FEU crowd here this afternoon at the arena in San Juan City. They know the importance of this game for FEU. FEU, of course, already having a better season as compared to last year when they finished 5th place, tied with NU with a 5-9 record.
And again, Pineda trying to target that down-the-line hit once again, that zone 1.
Pineda entering this game as the number 7 best scorer in the UAAP. Adding to that early on here in the first set. Bagang. Nice spike there from the rookie.
That's right. Now it's Bagang's turn for that down-the-line hit. Just too much for the Lady Falcons. Log not able to handle it.
Actually, 3 Adamson players under that volleyball there.
Oh, perfect timing on that block.
And Coach Nes likes what he saw there. That's what he was talking about in the Last timeout.
Well, kasi si Pineda, kanina niya pa pinadadaan kay Giselle C. And this time, it was Giselle C. who blocked that down the line hit of Pineda.
And Giselle C, who's only 5'2", with the courage to block that one. So that's impressive from the FEU setter. But this time, Sheila Pineda.
Once again, starts in that area, that zone.
And Adamson continuing to find Sheila Pineda. Here's Bagang. Makatuno, let's see if she'll go back to Pineda. Not that time, Pau. Pineda again. Bagang now for FEU. That's a missed hit point for Adamson.
Well, those are the things that the young rookies will learn. Mahirap kasi yan pag galing sa likod yung set. Medyo nadi-disorient ka ng konti if you're the spiker, but they will find that rhythm soon enough.
Bagang. Single block there by Jen Makatuno. She goes. Oh, that's a missed set there. Kinlog keeping it alive for Adamson. And Pineda continues to shine here in the first set.
This time with just a push. Napansin niya from her previous attack, she was blocked by Giselle C. This time, going for the push, varying her attack, and getting the point.
And that's a service ace for Faye Guevara. And Adamson University has built their biggest lead here in the first set at 7. Back with more UAAP Women's Volleyball action.